How nice. I love bedtime. I can't be more tired. Hello? Hello? Where am I? Am I asleep? What is this? Yeti! Even in my dreams! I can't believe it! Oh, but I already got my wish! Thanks for that! Oh, but he's trying to say something. Do you want to get another wish? Oh, yeah! You just have to play with me and find the mistakes in the following sentences. Oh, yes! I want to play. With you, it's always fun. Yeah, let's play together. Come on, let's go. All right, the first sentence is... yesterday I... WS, very excited because I made a snowman. I remember this sentence. Yes, it was written in a past simple form. So, and I see that the verb is incomplete. It's missing a letter, A. Was. Yeah! Oh, wow! Wow! Okay, another challenge. We played in the snow and make snow angels on weekends. We play. All right, this sentence sounds very, very familiar. And we have to write it in a past simple way. But wait. Yes, PLA. No, we need to add the suffix ed. Yes, that is what we're missing in there. Yeah. Am I right? Yes. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, what? What's going on? What did I forget? Ah, that's right, made. Yes, I fixed played. But there we had create and make, and we should have made. Oh, sorry. Next time I won't forget it. Oh, okay. I went sledding to a snowy hill with my family. Okay. I went. It's missing a T. It's missing a T. Yes, W-E-N-T. Ta-da! Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. One more sentence. Last winter we learned to ice skate at the local rink. Okay. Phew. Do you remember this sentence? Let's read it again. Last winter we learned to ice skate at the local rink. I think that... Do you see any reference that helps identify the tense? Is it a present simple sentence or a past simple sentence? Hey, last! Yes. So then learned needs ed. Yes? Am I right? Yes! Okay, wow! Yeah, we did it! I think we got the fourth wish. I love it.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello everyone. Okay, we are here and still working on the past simple. Yes? Let's put the verbs in the right place. So, go and went. Yesterday I go or yesterday I went. Yesterday is past, so yesterday I went to school. And today I go to school. Now let's correct the mistakes and put the verbs in the right tense. Yesterday I was very excited. Because I made a snowman. Well done. Then we played. Okay, we play. Let's put this into the past, okay? We played in the snow and made snow angels on the weekends. Today I go. No, go. Today I go, G-O, sledding on the snowy hill with my family. And last winter, we learned to ice skate. Yeah, we learned to ice skate. And this is it. Well done, guys. Okay? So very, very good.